Hello and welcome to Elevate English Podcast. I'm Maria, and today's 4-minute lesson is all about shopping basics, how to ask prices. You'll learn key words, practical phrases, a mini role play, and 4 tips to build your confidence. Let's dive in. Key vocabulary, 6 words. I'll say each word slowly twice. Listen and then repeat. Price. Price. Cost. Cost. How much? How much? Expensive. Expensive. Cheap. Cheap. Discount. Discount. Great. Now let's put them into simple sentences. Essential phrases, 6 phrases. I'll speak each phrase, then pause 3 seconds so you can repeat. How much is this, please? What's the price of this shirt? Is this on sale or discounted? That seems expensive. Do you have a cheaper option? Where can I find the price tag? Can you give me a discount? Excellent. You've practiced 6 useful phrases, polite and clear. Mini role play. Now a short dialogue between the shopper and the shop assistant. Listen, then repeat.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. How much is this jacket?
It's 80, but we have a 10% discount today.
Great. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right there.
Now repeat the entire dialogue aloud, alternating voices if you like. Quick practice tips. To make these phrases stick, follow these 4 tips. 1. Visualize the store. Imagine racks of clothes and price tags. Picture yourself asking each question. 2. Record and compare. Use your phone to record the dialogue. Play it back and match your pronunciation to mine. 3. Swap items. Change jacket to shoes, hat, or bag in your practice. The structure stays the same. 4. Practice in real life. Next time you shop, even online, say the phrases quietly to yourself as you browse. Listening drill. I'll say a short shopping scenario at normal speed. Listen carefully, then write or repeat. Excuse me, how much are these sneakers? I see a discount label. Does that mean they're cheaper today? If you missed any words, rewind and listen again until you catch them all. The answer will be in the description. Recap. 6 vocabulary words. 6 phrases to ask prices. 1 mini role play. 4 practice tips. That's it for episode 3, Shopping Basics, How to Ask Prices. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss episode 4, Asking for Directions. Leave a comment with the phrase you'll use first in your next shopping trip. Thank you for learning with me. Remember, you've got this.